Good afternoon, students. Today we will learn about regular expressions. Before learning more about regular expressions, let us see some examples to understand why we need to learn regular expressions. For example, in your class has 50 students. Find out how many of them contain the alphabet A in their name. Here you can see which of these names have the letter A in them. Rahul, Neha, Rohan, Veena, Aditya are letter A in them. So, can we write the search pattern that you will use to find these names containing the letter A? Yes, but how? We can write search pattern using regular expressions. Let's take another example. Children, have you observed the numbers written on the vehicles? Like MH12BA 5555, MH01AD 7878, MH14BD 3412 and so on. Do you know that vehicle numbers starting with MH12 belong to Pune? Vehicle with numbers starting from MH01 belong to Mumbai? And those starting with MH14 belongs to Pimpri Chinchwad. Suppose from a list of vehicle number, we have to identify the one that belongs to Pune. Can you write a search pattern for this task? Yes, we can. Write with the help of regular expressions. Now, what if we have to search through a sentence or a paragraph or a lesson and find out all the words that contain a given alphabet? This can also be done, but how? Using regular expressions. This is similar to previous examples of finding name with A. Students, regular expression also called as regex, R-E-G-E-X in short. So, how do we define regular expressions? Regular expression or regex are used to search through information which is stored in a computer. It uses both normal characters and special characters. Also note, it treats small and capital letters as different. So, regular expressions are case sensitive. So, students, now let us understand more about regular expressions. You can see some examples or some special characters on your screen. First sign is circumflex, which matches the starting position of the search pattern. The second sign is dollar, which matches the ending position of the search pattern. Dot matches any character. 0 to 9 matches any digit between 0 and 9. Small a to z matches any letters from the alphabet between A to Z. Capital A to Z matches any capital letter from the alphabet between A to Z. Remember, students, small letters are different from capital letters. /s matches a white space character. Asterisk sign matches the preceding pattern element 0 or more times. This question mark matches the preceding pattern element 0 or 1 time. So now we will take examples to learn more about regex. Let us search with regex. In a class test containing 15 questions, 4 marks are given for every correct answer and 2 marks are deducted for every incorrect answer. Neha attempts all questions but only 9 of her answers are correct. What is her total score? Aditya, her friend, gets only 6 answers correct. What will be his score? What if you have to list all the words in the above paragraph that start with the letter H? Let us see how to write regular expression or regex to search the word in the given paragraph. So, how do we write? \s h a to z in square brackets and then asterisk. Let us understand what this regex means. This /s in the regex specifies that the pattern starts with a space. Then H tells that after the space there should be the letter H. And then A to Z means any letter from A to Z. And asterisk following A to Z means 0 or more occurrences of letters from A to Z. So now let us see what this regex matches. You can see letters starting from H like his or her has been searched out. Right? Now let us understand regex using numbers. Let us consider the table below which shows the score of maths test. Suppose the maximum marks for this test was 50. Suppose we have to assign grade to different students. A asterisk for those who have obtained 50, grade A for students who have obtained marks between 40 and 49, grade B for students who have obtained marks between 30 and 39, grade C for those who have obtained mark less than 30. Can you suggest a search pattern to find out who all qualify for grade A? The marks highlighted in green are the ones that would qualify for A grade. Regex for finding such marks is circumflex 4 0 to 9. It will match mark that start with 4 and have exactly one digit between 0 to 9 after 4. Many times we come across different spellings for the same word. A few examples are GREY or GRAY. Or we can say license, LICENSE or LICENCE. Another example, organization, ORGANIZATION or ORGANISATION. So students, how do we write regex to search for such words? GR in capital brackets, EA, close capital brackets and then Y. This regex will match both GREY and GRAY. Square brackets are used to define the character set. In this case, the set is of two characters, E and A. Similarly, the regex for license is LICEN in capital brackets, SC, close capital brackets and then E. It will select both license LICENSE and LICENCE. So students, today we learned regular expressions with the help of examples. We learned to write simple regex for various types of search pattern. So students, remember regex are case sensitive. They understand small and capital alphabets differently.